In Festival Fields, a journey through the heart of Barossa Valley, where tradition meets celebration in a setting as rich as the land itself. The lively essence of Barossa's iconic festival with visuals of lush, rolling vineyards stretching beneath open skies. Vintage wine presses in action, symbols of the valley's deep winemaking heritage, and immerse in scenes of festival-goers savoring local wines, gourmet foods, and the simple joy of togetherness. With laughter echoing among the grapevines, local music in the air, and a community united by their love for the land, highlights how Barossa Valley blends its history with vibrant festivity, celebrating a legacy where every vineyard row, every glass, and every smile tells a story rooted in passion and pride for Barossa. In Festival Fields, Barossa Valley's storied landscape during its annual celebration. A place where every vine, every bottle, and every smile speaks of history and joy, sweeping views of vineyards that stretch over sunlit hills, painted in golden and green hues. A close-up of an antique wine press shows how tradition carries on, as it rhythmically crushes ripe grapes in the age-old dance of winemaking. Nearby, locals and visitors alike walk through festival stalls brimming with Barossa's culinary wonders. Earthy cheeses, artisan bread, and of course, wines that tell stories with each sip. Festival-goers hold their glasses up, toasting to community, history, and the valley itself. The atmosphere is alive with laughter, while live musicians play folk tunes that echo through the festival grounds. Children dance, families and friends chat, and neighbors share hearty meals around rustic tables set up amid the vines. From vibrant festival scenes to intimate moments of winemakers sharing the passion behind their craft, showing how each bottle captures the heart and hard work of Barossa's people. The final sunset over the valley casts a warm glow on the crowd, illuminating the festival grounds as day turns into a cozy, starlit evening. With its vivid scenes and joyful energy, Festival Fields becomes a tribute to the Barossa Valley's unique spirit, a place where tradition and festivity flow as seamlessly as wine, inviting everyone to come, savor, and celebrate.